So let's talk a little more about relations. One of the things that's worth noticing is over here we've defined the relation type, and we've seen that there are several types: find, insert, insert if not found, join, and auto join. But find, which we've used here, is actually the default, so we don't even have to write it. Let's remove it, and we can see in our change that find was removed, and the code will work exactly the same. Perfect. Now sometimes we may get in the result more than one row, and we would want only to have the first row, but we need to determine the order in which we're going to get it. It's going to be some custom order or some index that we're using. You'll probably use more of indexes in ISAM databases. So the next parameter of a relation add is which order by to use. And I can say here shippers dot shipper sort by pk shippers. And it will use that order by in the context of the relation. Okay, it's good to remember that a relation can sometimes return more than one row from the database, but only the first row will be used by the controller. So let's run this and see what happens. Perfect, we still got that row. Another thing important to know is that you can access the relation after you create it. You can say relations.shippers, and then you can do all sorts of things to it. You can set whether or not the relation is enabled. You can read its from. You can handle its load event. You can even know if a row was found. So there's a lot of cool properties here that I recommend that you'll go through and look a little bit to learn from. Perfect. Now, all of these properties are also extremely useful in debug.